Going stir crazy over here because I'm in quarantine and I haven't done my hair all week. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kelsie. I share beauty, fashion, lifestyle, travel, all of the above on here, and I'm on Instagram as well at It's Me Kelsie 22. I will link everything down below as far as where else you can find me, and I have a blog too. It's KelsieKristine.com, and this video will be over on there as well. But hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified each time a new video goes up. But last week I actually crimped my hair and I loved it. If you guys missed that video, I will link it above and down below. But I'm going to try something new this week. I've been wanting to curl my hair with this guy, my entire head with this, to see what happens. I have seen Nicole Guerrero and Desi Perkins share their like natural curly wave whatever tutorials, and I've wanted to do them since then. So we're gonna try this out. This I think is a 3/8 of an inch. Let me grab it. So here's the box. It's a 3/8 inch curling wand. I was between that and the 1/2 inch, but I went with the 3/8 because I was like, you know, give me the smaller curls because I got a lot of hair, and the smaller the curl, the crazier it's gonna look. And I'm really excited. So first time using this, first time trying this. This is gonna be a long process. We're gonna be here for a while. I got my Vampire Diaries on my iPad right here. We're gonna be watching it for like the next, I don't know, 4 hours. We're gonna see. We'll see what happens. So I'm excited. So if you wanna see me attempt to curl my entire head with this guy, then please keep watching. So here's what the wand looks like. And it has a clamp, if you can see that. And it actually came with a glove too. I might just wrap around instead of using the clamp. So I might need the glove. I mean, I don't really need the glove because I have this guy, but since it's so tiny and I've never done this, I might use the glove. We're gonna try without the glove first, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So 375 is what it defaults to, and it's heating up right now. And this is gonna be a major time lapse because we ain't got time to talk through this entire thing. It's gonna be a while. Let's get curling. Take out all my hair first. So I actually still have my extensions in. If you watched my crimping video, my extensions are overdue to come out, but since the salons aren't open, I can't get them moved up, but my husband is probably gonna be cutting them out, I don't know, next weekend maybe. I'm trying to keep them in as long as I can because of these tutorials. I want to get as many things done while in quarantine as I can. But I'm excited to actually get my other hair back too, because then I can kind of work with it, try to grow it back out a little bit, get it stronger and whatnot before the extensions go back in. But I have I think 22 inch extensions, and we're just gonna brush it out and then section it off and get started. So I'm gonna start with the bottom. So my extensions are like, I don't know, like 2 inches grown out. So we're gonna start with this section here. How grown out it is. There it is, it's over my ears. I almost forgot my heat protectant, so I just used the Moroccanoil Perfect Defense. I use the Chi heat protectant when I use my blow dryer. If you guys missed that video, I shared a whole video on my hair care, my like hair wash day routine, and I have that in my bathroom, and this is in my beauty room. So this is what I use when I'm actually doing hot tools on my hair. It's just a Perfect Defense from Moroccanoil. Gotta protect that hair. So we're gonna do like this small of pieces. I gotta get my little baby hairs too in there. Oh boy, guys, this is gonna be crazy. I don't know if I should leave some out at the end because I don't want it too straight at the end. I want to make sure it's curled nicely. There we go. Let's see what this first curl looks like, and then I'll jump into hyperspeed soon. Think. Oh boy, guys, look at it. Can you see it? Do I leave? I feel like I shouldn't leave the bottom out. We're going to for that one, and then we'll continue on. If you can hear my dog, she's snoring. She's getting louder and louder over the years. See, that's gonna end up happening with my hair. You see that? Not something we can do right now. We can always touch it up later. Okay, so this is what I have in the little pieces. So I'm just gonna go in and curl that little one. So I'm just gonna curl, and if there's any like straight pieces, I'll just go back and fix them at the end. This could all be a bust anyway, so I don't wanna take too much time until the very end to touch anything up. This is gonna take a long time. So now we're officially gonna jump into hyperspeed. I'll stop it if we need to. Look at the difference in length. Crazy.
You got something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own will. It's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear. Cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home. But should it be like this? Locked up in your dome. You know I fight for you. What do I? Every time you call my name. What do I? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I? We can't stop it, so I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why?
That was the last curl. It only took, I took some breaks, but I think it only took me like 45 minutes. So here are the curls before I do anything with them. I'm gonna spray them down. And like I said, I've never done this before, you guys. So this is a first for me. Let me show you the back. Hopefully I got all the pieces. Missed a spot. Not like I'm going anywhere to show anyone these curls anyway. The back looks a little crazy, but okay. I'm gonna turn this guy off. So we're gonna try to brush this out. I'm just gonna use this guy. This is the same thing I used for the crimper. I'm gonna try, I feel like I'm kind of nervous. I'm nervous to brush it out a little bit. So I'm gonna start at the roots and tease. Oh, I don't know, you guys. I'm new to this. I think I'm gonna, okay, well that worked. I think what I'm gonna do is actually just separate these with my fingers first. Not too much. Just gonna brush it out a little bit. Oh God. Oh God, guys, we don't wanna do that too much. It made it instantly frizzy. Like I said, first time doing this, no idea what I'm doing. Maybe we'd use my fingers instead. I feel like I need volume at the root. I'm gonna add some volume at the root. Oh. Look how crazy that looks. Can you imagine my hair with my short hair? There wouldn't be as much, but oh boy. All right, there's one side. Oh my God. Oh, this is looking crazy. I had no idea what to expect. I knew it was gonna look nuts, but holy cow, you guys. Okay, I'm just like missing hair with it like in here because it's total different lengths. So I used to have perms back in the day. Like when I was a kid, I used to get them all the time. Not this tight of curls, but I used to get curls, or I used to have really tight curls. Maybe like, I don't know, probably double this size. I don't know though. You know, I might have had this small of curls. I don't remember. I just remember it being crazy. But that was as a kid. And I don't remember how to take care of curls at all. It's just a frizzy mess. I honestly thought this was gonna take me like 4 hours, so it didn't take me that long. Yep, not something I'm gonna do every day or often at all, but it was fun to do. Oh my gosh, you guys. I should say, I held this on there for a while, and when I did one strand and just did it really quick and let go, it looked really pretty. So I could do another tutorial with that. I just wanted to do like super tight curls for this because I just wanted to know what it was gonna look like, you know? Why not experiment when we're in quarantine? I'm gonna FaceTime Chloe and Jasmine, my friends who both have curly hair, and show them this. They've been waiting to see it. Are you ready?
I see this shit.
You guys. How do I
Oh my god, she's doing a big reveal.
I like this.
Stop!
I'm like crying.
Oh my
Look
god.
at this.
Ouch.
He's not expecting that.
Yep.
Oh my god, I wasn't prepared.
I mean, look at this guy. It's tiny.
Oh my god, it is super tiny.
3/8 of an inch.
It's for like
Holy
someone with super
cannoli.
short hair.
I know.
That's insane.
Look at my little guy.
Oh my god, Kelsie, it literally looks like some of those look like my curls. Looks crazy.
I don't know like how to get more volume up here because it like flattened it when I did it, but
you should try like curling them like
the other way.
side of your,
Yeah.
People are gonna be shook.
You need to let them fall out a bit.
You know what you need to do is you need to do one of the TikToks of like when women come out naked but you come out with curls.
Yeah.
Yes.
I might have to, like, I don't know when he's gonna even be home, but I'll have to, I don't know how long I can keep this in for. Because I was like, oh, you know, it'll last like a couple days, maybe. No. I'm not keeping this in for a couple days, guys. Okay, open.
Ho! Got the curly cues going on. How long did that take?
Not that long.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, they're cute.
Isn't it crazy?
Yeah. Wild.
Chloe and Jasmine told me I needed to record your
It's
reaction.
crazy.
I
Yeah,
FaceTimed them
you look
earlier.
like a different person. Nice. You look beautiful. Give me a kiss.
Okay, I did a little finagling and put it up with this little clip, but here it is. I got a little hot, so I just took off my sweater, but this is the final. It is crazy. Like I said, I could have taken this and done it a little bit different if I would have held it less and then just kind of pulled it straight. I can do that for another tutorial, but I wanted to just do this full on, like as curly as I could get it for this look. So that's that. If you guys want to see a different tutorial with it, let me know down in the comments. I will try to do it before these extensions come out. Otherwise, this would be fun to try too when I get my extensions out. So we'll see. I will leave this linked down in the description as well. Really affordable and worked really well. I did not use the clamp, but like I said, this clamp comes with this guy. Didn't need this either. It works just fine with me holding this, but that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.